day of term 4. Kia ora. My name is Jessica.
And my ātara to school. I'm Brianna. Welcome to NEWS News for Rahina, the 12th of October.
We start the term with some health and safety news.
If you look closely around the school, the out-of-bounds areas seem to have disappeared.
Year 5 to 8 are, of course, allowed over the road. You must make sure you cross the road safely at the pedestrian crossing. Kia ora.
And there will be plenty of touch training starting this week because we've got touch on Friday.
Okay, let's get into Tipu o Te Wiki. This week's word is horai, which is Rio for wash.
As in, me horai, koe e hoa. You should wash, mate. Here's a face hold. Just after that, chuck it in the washing basket. Needs a good wash.
Alright, it's Monday, so the Tidy Class competition is back on.
And this will be the last Pizza Reward competition for 2015. So keep up the good work, Winton School.
Hi, this Vest. Keep wearing to and from school. And it's time for sun hats at playtime and lunchtime to Kia ora.
Okay, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Year 5 and 6 Mini Bull news. You have training today and tomorrow at 12:45 on the new courts. Kia ora.
Tiki 10 news. You have a meeting with Ms. Mines at playtime in room 13. Kia ora.
Library news open today. It is every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.
Winton's Got Talent. It's all on from week 5 this term. So if you can dance, sing, play an instrument or perform on stage, start thinking about an item.
The unusual age for age groups are set at and entry forms are ready in the office. More info throughout the term.
Birthday news. Shikana Young turns a big 10 today.
Happy birthday, Shikana. Birthday back.
Okay, that's all for today.